Championships ang kanilang prangkisa. This will be their 13th finals appearance and the celebration continues sa Cuneta Astrodome. Parang nanalo ng kampyonato and why not? It's been a war dito sa Astrodome. Marlo Aquino played well with a good block shot laban kay Bong Alvarez. Sonny Jaworski leading his charges all the way to the finals for the third straight time. Ginito, 13th finals appearance ng Gordon's Gin.
And for Gordon's Gin, this could be the start of something big. Of course, Alaska waiting in the wings.
Pero walang dapat ikahiyan San Miguel Beer dito, Kinito. They played well. They had the lead in both overtimes. They collapsed. Naubusan ng tao. Kumbaga may war of attrition. Sila ang natalo dun sa gerang yon. Again, ang ating VAT69 player of the game, Val David. Kami po babalik with more after these reminders. Halos 3 oras, 2 extension period para matapos itong sudden death game. Nagwagay ang Gordon's Gin ng 106-100. Of course, it was too bad. Somebody had to lose this classic game, but it was a tremendous game.
Partner, yan ang preview, sneak preview for the upcoming final series between Alaska and Gordon's Gin. If you thought that was exciting, watch out for our finals.
Well, dahil po dun sa pagkakahaba-haba ng larong yon, hindi na namin maibibigay ang aming interview sa aming winning coach at yung ating VAT69 player of the game. Again, si Val David winning the VAT69 player of the game. Ang ating Hardy Flex Building Boards, King of the Boards, nagmula rin sa Gordon's Gin, ang hari mismo. Chris King, King of the Boards today, a total of 17 rebounds, leading his team back to the finals, a third straight appearance para sa Gordon's Gin.
Partner, pinakita ni Chris King that he is indeed a quality import and he can get the job done not only offensively but yung defensive effort niya kay Jeff Ward, particularly in the fourth period, that also shoved the Gordon's Gin into a winning situation.
So ang game 1 mga kaibigan ng kampyonato ng Commissioner's Cup magpapasimula sa Martes. Alaska laban sa Gordon's Gin at 7:30. Of course, yung battle for third, Santa Lucia meets San Miguel, 5:15 dito rin po sa Cuneta Astrodome. Kinito, pagod na ako pero sulit ito, partner.
Talagang sulit na sulit, and as I mentioned, this is a preview of what you can expect sa ating finals, Alaska versus Gordon's Gin.
And we will see you on Tuesday mga kaibigan. Again, sa ngalan po ni Kinito Henson at ang aming director si Abit Ramos, the entire Vintage staff, salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Ako po si Nole Yala. So long everyone from the Cuneta Astrodome.
Chris King. I'm a player, I know.